Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today I got the new net hardwiring kit. Why would I buy one of these? Well, this is to hardwire a dash cam. Many of you guys don't like to have wires running through just in the middle of the car, or you don't want to wire it through the cigarette lighter. You're gonna see right here. Most of the dash cams come with a cigarette lighter. This is not it, but you don't want wires just going straight up to your dash cam. So what you're gonna use is a dash cam wiring kit. This is what you're gonna get right here. And you're gonna see how neat this thing's gonna look. Check it out, there's no wires going down, it's just straight up because I hardwired this dash cam. So what does this kit do for you? This kit, what it's gonna do for you is make it really easy to hardwire it. This is gonna do it through your fuse box. So it's easy and it's safe to do it. So what you're gonna get right now is, check out this right here. You got an installation guide. This is the new net hardwiring kit. Most important part about this kit, well, is the main wire itself. You got your ground wire that you're gonna connect anywhere you want, and you got your positive wire. And this comes with a micro USB entrance, but it also comes with adapters. The next important part is having the fuse type adapters. Different type of car year and models use different type of fuses. So this is a really safe hardwiring kit because we're gonna connect through a fuse. That means if there's something going on that it gonna peel or something like that, the fuse is gonna break and it's not gonna cause a fire or something like that. It's just really safe to do. So once you decide what type of fuse your car is, you're gonna select it and you're just gonna connect it to your positive. And this is how easy it's going to be. So you just select the fuse, and on the kit it also comes with 5-bolt fuses, fuse wire puller. You got a lightning adapter, a type C adapter, and just heads up, you guys, this doesn't come with a mini USB adapter. Just in case your dash cam comes with a mini USB, be careful, buy that adapter before you buy this kit. So one of the things you gotta know about this hardwiring kit is that you gotta select a fuse. You gotta select the fuse box inside your car or outside where the hood is. Things you gotta note is that some fuses only work when you turn on the key, and some fuses work 24/7. So you gotta decide when do you want your dash cam to turn on. The main thing when I connected is that I want the dash cam to turn on when I turn on the switch, not 24/7, because I don't want the battery to run out. So it just depends what type of connection you want to make. If you want to run in 24/7, or you want it just running when the ignition switch is on. So it just depends on that. Well, guys, this is a new net from New Bending. Like I said, this is a kit and this is what it comes from. If you guys want to buy one of these, I'm gonna leave it in the description. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.